with Sheep Hill Herbs, and today I'm just going to go through my garden looking for the wild plants that have come up in place of the planted garden varieties to add some extra flavor, nutrition, and spice to the soup I'm making for lunch. So let's get started. I want to show you what can be growing in your garden areas that are considered weeds and that you can add to your meals. Let's go. Okay, so I've already started to do some collecting, and I am pulling dandelion leaves. So there's all these little clovers here, and then some dandelions with the large toothed leaf. So I want some dandelion leaves. Now I do have oregano that I planted, and I am picking a little bit of that because that adds some extra nice flavor to my soup. But I do want dandelion greens, and then I'm gonna move over here. And we have some long plantain. And these are edibles. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in my bowl. And then this is lemon clover, which tastes like lemon and is so delicious. I love this plant. So I'm going to add a little bit of that. And let's see if I can get some more dandelions. But it is like a very interesting time right now. I'm gonna move. There's so much growing in the fall season. This is chickweed, and I have been talking about chickweed a lot because it's all over the place right now. It's very soft. It's very filled with water, I would say. I want to use the word demulcent, or almost like succulent. It is just a juicy plant. So I'm going to add that, some more dandelion leaves, and I'm picking leaves that look good and don't have brown spots and look healthy. You know, everything is kind of looking healthy right now. Got some more chickweed, and then this is ground ivy. Whoops, here we go. This is ground ivy. And it gets a little purple flower, which I don't see, but I'm going to put some of that in here. And then this I planted, but this is cilantro that has gone to seed and tastes like coriander. And that is delicious in soup, and I really should collect all of this before I don't get it. So that's coriander. Those are the seeds of the cilantro leaves, and I just ate some. They taste so good. So here I am over at my parsley, and this parsley I cut back so that I have like really nice fresh parsley. This is flat leaf right now. And of course parsley, oh my gosh, parsley barely has any flavor when it's dried. It is just so wonderful fresh. And I'll just cover this up with like a small sheet, and I'll be able to have this in the winter, and then also it'll be like the first plant in the spring. So I'll just leave that alone. Now this parsley was not cut back, so it has gone to flower. Let's see. And I'll see if I can get any seeds here. Here's some little seed pods. But I'm going to pick these and add them to my soup because they have a very strong flavor. And then I saw some violets. I'm going to just come over here. So this is a food that comes up early in the spring, and I like to eat them raw, and they help move the lymphatics. So I'm just going to add a few little flowers to my bowl here of fresh things in my soup. So what I do is I add this last. And these lady's thumb, I'm gonna add a few of these because I have so many of them. But I add this last because I don't want to kill the medicinal and the enzyme properties, the nutritional properties by my heat. So my soup is finished and I just took it off the stove, and then I'm just going to mix this in so it wilts, almost like, you know, when you're making tea, you've wilted the plants with the boiling water. Here's the dandelion. I'm just going to wilt these plants into my soup, stir it around so that I have a delicious addition to the soup I made. So I'll put the recipe for what my dish is in the description below. Thanks for coming again today. Thanks for watching my videos. Back to me. And I'm so happy that you have found this channel. If you've subscribed, awesome. If you haven't, hit the subscription button before you go, and come again for another video.